Hi everyone, in this video we're taking a look at our party favor kit. If you're interested in premium tea, make sure to subscribe to our channel for new videos like this one each week. Our party favor kit is a simple way to create custom tea themed party favors, perfect for weddings, corporate events, or any other occasion where you need to provide small tokens of appreciation. Our party favor kit serves as the foundation for your party favors, allowing you to choose between 1 to 6 of any of our loose leaf teas in sample size purchased separately. Included in each party favor kit, you'll find 3 items: a packet of our tea sachets, a white box to hold the tea samples, and a mini red gift bag to present each party favor to your guests. The included tea sachets give guests an easy way to prepare our loose leaf teas. Guests simply open the tea sample, empty it into a sachet, then brew just like a tea bag. The tea sachets are pre-dosed to the number of teas you choose to include in each party favor. For example, if you choose 2 teas per favor, each kit will include 2 tea sachets. If you include 6 teas, you'll receive 6 tea sachets in each kit, etc. To order your party favors, you'll need to decide how many guests you have and which teas you want to include. For example, if you have 100 guests, then your cart should include 100 of our party favor kits, plus 100 single servings of each tea you want to include. The tea samples are sold separately and are available on each tea's product page by selecting Sample in the size menu. This gives you complete flexibility to include the exact teas you want in each party favor. Our party favor kits can accommodate up to 6 tea samples each. If you need help with your purchase or have additional questions, please feel free to contact us. To learn more about our range of gift options, visit redblossomtea.com. Make sure you leave a like and comment below if you found this video helpful, and subscribe to our YouTube channel so you don't miss out on future videos.